Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Harber Freight wood chipper. This is brand new out of the box. So here's how to check the oil. Make sure you're good. Take it out and wipe it off. According to the book, it needs to be about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch or something below the top. You don't screw it in, you just stick it right here, and that's about what I've got, so it should be good. So now we're ready for the first startup. Turn the switch on, choke, make sure it's on. That's the gas. want to talk to you a little bit about the Harber Freight Predadtor wood chipper that I just bought. At first, I was skeptical about it because I'd watched videos of different chippers, and some of them had bad ratings, some of them had good. Even in the Predadtor one, it had some people liked it, some people didn't like it. But I'm going to be honest with you. When I got it and started using it, I really do like it. I'm glad I picked it, especially for the price I gave for it. It was cheaper than anything else. One other good thing about it, if something were to happen to the motor, all I have to do is walk right into Harber Freight and pick a motor up right off a shelf and throw on it, and then we're good to go. But now I did purchase, and I would suggest you all doing the same thing. I purchased the extended warranty. It's 2 or 3 year extended warranties. So if I have a problem with it, I've got coverage up and until that's done. But if you're watching my video, I showed you I cut up to about a 3-inch piece of wood. Now you can't just throw a big 3-inch limb in there and think it's going to suck it in and spit it out. It'll bog it down. You have to let it bite off a little bit at a time till you get it down to the smaller part, and then you can let it go. When you get down to around a 2-inch mark in the limb you're using, it'll pull it right through there and chew it up. But if you're doing a 3-inch, it has to be kind of straight. You can't have no crooks or bends in it, because it will jam it up or stop up, and you have to pull it apart and try to dig all that out. Because it happened to me. I didn't show it in the video, but it happened to me. I had to dig it out and clean it out, and then but I learned right off the bat what not to do. But you can do a 3-inch. You can't do no more than 3 inch, but you have to let it bite off a little bit, spit it out. Just don't let it suck the whole limb in there. If you try to do that with a 3-inch piece, I promise you it will bog it down. It'll just quit on you. Don't do it. Let it bite off like I showed you, a little bit at a time. And this thing, it'll do a job. It'll do a good job. We used it a lot. We had a lot of brush to chip up, and it done just fine. No, it ain't no big commercial chipper that you can throw logs into, but for the homeowner around the home, this thing is great. So I would recommend it to anybody, but I would suggest going ahead. Don't take no chances. Go ahead and buy the extended warranty with it, and then you'll have coverage for 2 or 3 years, and you should be good to go. But I just wanted to share my thoughts with you on that. I really do like it. And I've got more work to do around the house, so I'm going to show you some more videos on it, what I'm doing around the house, just a little bit of clips. But honestly, you need you a little wood chipper for around the home. Go to Harber Freight, pick that thing up, and I honestly think you'll be happy with it, because I am. Guys, I'll see you on the next video. God bless you. I'll see you later.